Hi, I'm Sergio Benavides, an immigration attorney. I want to do in this video to talk to you about something that's life-changing for a lot of people, asylum in the United States. I'm going to explain today the differences between affirmative asylum and defensive asylum. If you or someone you know is fleeing persecution and seeking safety in the United States, understanding these differences is important. So let's dig in. First, let's understand the basics. Asylum is a form of protection granted to people who have suffered or fear they will suffer persecution due to their race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or because they belong to a particular social group. There are two main ways to apply for asylum in the United States. There's affirmative asylum and defensive asylum. The processes are different. So let's start with affirmative asylum. First, you have to be physically in the United States. You apply by submitting application form I-589 to USCIS within 1 year of coming into the United States. There are some exceptions, and working with a lawyer will help you get around and win those exceptions. And then later, you'll be scheduled for an interview with an asylum officer to decide whether you're going to be granted asylum. At the interview, you'll be told if you're going to be granted asylum status. And if you do, you'll be given the opportunity to live and work in the United States. And after 1 year, you're entitled to request a green card for yourself, legal permanent status. So what happens if you don't win asylum? Well, that's when defensive asylum comes into play. Defensive asylum is a different process. If you're denied asylum by the hearing officer at the asylum offices, they refer your case to immigration court. Now you're in deportation proceedings, also called removal proceedings. And they're going to try to remove you from the United States. You're going to be placed in court, and you'll be trying to present your case again for asylum, but now you're going to be in front of an immigration judge. This is like a trial where you get to present testimony and evidence, and there will be a government attorney to try to argue why you should not be granted asylum. The burden of proof is on you. To show that you meet all the requirements for winning asylum, you need good evidence and good legal arguments to succeed. So those are the differences in asylum, whether it's affirmative with USCIS and an asylum officer decides whether you win asylum or not, or defensive asylum, where you're sent to immigration court and you get another chance to fight for asylum, but this time you've got to prove your case in front of a judge. So you can apply for asylum, affirmative asylum, without a lawyer. Having someone help you significantly improves your chances of winning. In defensive asylum cases, having an experienced lawyer is really critical. The stakes are higher. The process is more complex. In our offices, we help people gather evidence, prepare applications, we file motions, and we present your case effectively. Whether it's affirmative asylum or if it's in front of a judge, our goal is always to help give you the best chances of winning.